Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just want to show y'all a little more of the process of me making this crochet headband wig. And this is the goddess braids. Okay, so I'm just doing a side at a time, and I'm trying to gauge how much hair I'm going to need. So this is a whole pack on this side, and I'm working on this side. So it came with 8 packs of hair, so I'm thinking I'm good. I don't need another pack of, bundle of hair, but I'm going to show y'all how I do. So let me lower this. Okay, I'm using this kind of hook, latchet hook. And you see these holes on this net, these are smaller than the ones on the side. That's the way it looks. And it does have elastic around the perimeter of this net. And so I'm staggering the hair. Go in, put the hair in the latch hook, close the little latch, and pull it through. Pull this up there, and since this part of the braid is fat, I have to go to the end to pull the end of the braid through here. Put the hair in there, close it, and then pull it through. Do another one. And I'm not going through 2 holes at once. I'm going through only 1 triangle. Just dropped it. And it's pre-looped. The hair is pre-looped. Y'all see they loop? Put the hook through the loop. Close it. And then push the hook all the way up. And I go into the end of the hair, since it's thinner there. And pull it through. And tighten it. And I'm doing about maybe 2 finger widths apart. And I'm staggering the hair. I'm not like bricklayer style. Put a hair here, put one here, put one here. And the idea is for the hair on top to cover up the empty spaces. Put that through there. Put the hair in here, close the latch, pull it through. Push the latch hook all the way through. Probably need to go at a different angle so y'all can see what I'm doing better. Okay. If it ain't going through, that means something is snagged. So try again. Close the latch. Now pull it through. Okay, I'm trying to get a better angle. I mean, it looks like trash now, because of course, this gray hair against this black cap looks crazy. Hopefully none of this black cap will show. Okay, I'm going up here. Push the hook all the way through. Wait a minute. I'm dropping everything. Here's the other hook. And this here came with the latch hooks. Okay, I'm going in through this. Push the hook all the way through. Make sure this little latch is open. Okay, this ain't. Now, push the latch hook through. Make sure the latch is open. Hook the loop on the hook. Close the latch. And pull it through. Push the hook all the way through that loop. See, the latch is open. And since this part of the hair is fat and it's not going to fit, I'm going to the end. I'm latching this onto the hook of the latch hook. Closing the latch and pulling it through. And take it out. And then just pull the hair all the way through. And secure this knot. Okay, hair all over the floor. Do one more. That's what it's looking like so far. And this is 12-inch goddess braids. So I'm doing one more before I go off camera. And okay, I'm going through. See, I got that? Going through one triangle, diamond. Put the hair on the hook. Close the latch, pull it through. Push the hook all the way through. Go to the end of the hair, almost. Close this latch. You want to get away from it. Close. Even if you have to hold the latch closed. Okay, so I'm going to finish this side, then I'm going to start in the back. So, I will be back. And this is the kind of cap I got. Free trust headband crochet cap. Got it from Amazon, and it was $11, y'all. And then I saw a no-name brand cap. It was a couple dollars cheaper, and it's almost the same as this. So okay, so I'll be back. Okay, this is how I'm starting the bottom. Okay, in the back, and I just clip these sides to get the hair out my way. And I went on and filled in the sides instead of waiting till the very end. So that's how long the hair hangs. It's 12 inches. So I'm going to, let me show you. I'm going to stagger these braids. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go in between, well, I'm going to go in between here. Y'all see? I'm not bunching it all together. So I'm going to put the hair on the hook, close the latch, and pull it through. Pull the hook all the way through till I get to a thin part of the end of the braid, then pull that through. Then I can just pull the rest through by hand and tighten that knot. See how this is between these two braids? I wouldn't have put it right here above this braid because this braid needs to fill in the space. So my next one will go about right here. I'm going to do that on camera. And I'm actually enjoying doing this. Okay. Bring the hook through. Close the latch. Pull that through. Pull this hook all the way through to get to the thin part of the braid, because I couldn't do it here because that's too thick to go through this loop easily. It can do it, but it won't be easy. So I'm all for ease. Okay, that ain't doing, so I'm gonna take it out and go through a thinner part of the braid. Close this latch. You know what? I see what I did wrong. Okay. Try again. Tighten it. The next one will go over here. So I'm going to finish this and I'll be back. Okay, that was the, I don't know how many packs I started with, y'all. Anyway, I got 3 packs left. So this is a complete pack in the back. This is 1 pack, 1.5, 1.5. So that's how many? 2, 3, 4 packs. So I got 3 left. So it must have been 7 packs of hair. So I'm thinking I'm going to make it. Okay, yeah, I think I'll make it. So that's how the back looks. And I don't have to worry about these spaces because the hair from up here is going to fill in these spaces. And if not, I'll just go buy some more. Okay, y'all, got 2 more packs of hair left. You think I'm going to make it? I got this much left to do. I don't know. I'm still seeing some black knit. So we will see. I'm liking the fullness of it, but I don't want to see no black net. Okay. Let me continue. Hi y'all. I had to put this on my wig tripod so I can do the top. This is what it's looking like so far. So I got that much left up here. I got 1 pack left. So I have to tilt this backwards so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. I will be back. Okay, here's the finished wig I made. It's the headband wig. Of course, I put my own headband on top of that black band. Or I could just wear the black band. I'm thinking I'm going to take out a little bit of hair. Yeah, so the 7 or 8 packs that came with it is more than enough. I didn't have to go get any more hair. I like the results. I don't like the little bitty combs that came in it, so I got it bobby pinned on each side of the headband. The combs, they hurt. So y'all see what I'm talking about? It's kind of bulky, so I'm going to take some of the bottom layers out. But I like it a lot. I like the color. And I mean, it matches my hair. So it's the boho goddess braid. I like this, y'all. So let me, might as well do my outfit of the day. Well, I'll do that, make another video. Well, this is how the hair turned out, and I'm very satisfied. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment, and you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. And it took about, like from start to finish, maybe an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. And it's so soft, yeah. Okay, bye.